I'm going to discuss. It is a continuation of last 2 days. Takeaways from Grant Cardone book Sell or Be Sold. So today topic of the book is 10 Commandments of Sales. So like in Bible we have 10 commandments. Same way in this book also there is one topic called 10 Commandments in sales. First one, be proud and be positive. It means being a salesperson, you should be proud of your profession because, as I know, many just by accident they come to sales. They really not come to sales by their choice. So, first be proud that you are into sales and be positive. Always positive mindset is very important in sales. So, be proud and be positive. That is the first commandment. Second commandment is dress for sales success. How you dress up yourself is very important in sales for success. That integrate respect, trust and engagement. So dressing up is very important. So second commandment is dress for sales success, and the third commandment is see the sale. It means you have to assume that sale is going to happen. You have to see or visualize the outcome of the results in sale. So the third commandment is see the sale. And the fourth commandment is be sold on your offer. Be sold on your offer. A true seller believes that the product or a service what he is going to deliver it is exceeding customers' expectations or fulfilling customers' expectation. Sorry. So the fourth commandment is be sold on your offer. And the fifth commandment is know your value proposition. That means whatever value you're going to deliver to the customer, that is meeting his expectations. And your understanding customer is important. Customer emotions, everything you are understanding, then you are adding a value to customer. That is fifth commandment, know your value proposition. And sixth commandment is always agree with your client. What they say is first we should always have a agreement with customer. Whatever customers say, better to agree with them. The more you agree, the more customer listen to you and more chances of agreeing whatever you say. So that is what it means. Agreeing with the customer encourages unity, trust, balance of every side. So, the sixth commandment is always agree with the customer. And seventh commandment, double dollar demonstration. Double dollar demonstration means always offer twice than customer expectation. Always add value twice than customer expectation. So why we have to do is the more you offer, the more customer will be happy to accept your offer. For example, if you have to add value for maybe 1,000 rupees, worth of 1,000 rupees, you add value worth of 2,000, even though your product value is 1,000, but still add value of 2,000. So the double the time you add value, the more chances of accepting your offer. He'll be happy accepting your offer. That is seventh commandment. And the eighth commandment is be time efficient. That means time is very important. So if you fix up an appointment 8 a.m., just go at 8 a.m. And also one more category of time efficient is close the sale as quickest as possible, because you should not give a secondary thought to customer that um, I will, like, customer if they say I will come back later or I will think about it, don't give time for them to think or to come back, because the more time they take, the more delay it will happen to close the sale. So it is always better as quickest as possible to win the sale. And the ninth commandment is assume the close. A smart salesperson continues to pitch the sale as if it will result in S. So the smartest salesperson will always assume that yes, this prospect is going to give the order. That kind of assumption you will definitely have. And the last one, the 10th commandment is always persist in the close. You should have a determined attitude, persistence that this order is going to close. So, determined attitude is very important while closing the sale. So, I will read once again just the topic of 10 commandments. That is, first one, be proud and be positive. Dress for success, sales success. See the sale. Be sold on your offer. Know your value proposition. Always agree with your client. Double dollar demonstration. Be time efficient. Assume the close. Always persist in the close. These are all the 10 commandments given by Grant Cardone in Sell or Be Sold book. So, highly recommend this book for all the sales professions or entrepreneurs who wants to improve their sales skills. Even we have a WhatsApp sales group. If you want to join, please say add so that we will add you in the group, because every day we have question and answer sessions where we discuss in detail about the topics, and I also post other videos related to sales, and also give some kind of a challenges related to sales. So if interested, you can put in comment box, add or join me. Yeah, thank you.